Hello friends, welcome back to Creative Kids. In this video we will learn how to make handmade canvas. So we need a piece of cardboard or sunboard, and on that we will create a paste of fevicol and water together. We will mix in a 50-50 ratio, and then we will mix it well, and we'll apply this on the cardboard or the sunboard, whatever you have. I am using sunboard here. So apply this fevicol coating all over the cardboard, and then you can paste some tissue paper or napkins on it in order to create a that handmade texture, or we can say the knife painting texture. After this video I will show you the demonstration how to do painting on it, but it really cool once it will complete. After placing the tissue paper on this cardboard or this sunboard, on whatever you are taking to make that handmade canvas, we will give a layer of fevicol on it, same as we did earlier, slightly, in order to dabbing. We are not supposed to do this layer with the as we do coloring. We have to do dabbing kind of, so that it could not tear. I hope you can understand how I am doing. And once it is done, then we will allow it for 30 to 40 minutes to dry this canvas. After that it will be ready to use. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video on the same canvas will do.